BrainPod AI revolutionizes content creation with its AI-generated content toolkit that can produce high-quality content in minutes. Its user-friendly interface ensures the content is top-notch and engaging. The AI technology behind this toolkit ensures that the content produced is not only accurate but also unique and engaging. AI-generated content is faster, consistent, and cost-effective compared to human-generated content. Anyone who needs to create high-quality content quickly, cost-effectively, and efficiently can benefit from using AI-generated content. AI-generated content can be used to create a wide range of content types, including blog posts, articles, social media posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, marketing copy, and even video scripts. The accuracy and quality of the content produced by BrainPod AI's AI-generated content toolkit is on par with human-created content, if not better. AI-generated content can be up to 90% accurate and produce content that is more engaging than human-created content. BrainPod AI's AI-generated content toolkit is revolutionizing the way we create and consume content and is set to become an indispensable tool for businesses and organizations of all sizes. Content creation is a crucial element for businesses and marketers alike. It's a way to connect with customers, build brand recognition, and promote products or services. However, creating high-quality content is a time-consuming and often costly process. This is where BrainPod AI's AI-generated content toolkit comes in. This innovative tool revolutionizes content creation by using artificial intelligence to generate high-quality articles, blog posts, social media captions, and more in just a matter of minutes. This not only saves time and money, but also the user-friendly interface ensures that the content is top-notch and engaging. The AI writing tools are incredibly user-friendly and can be used by anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. All you need to do is input a few basic details and the platform will do the rest. The AI technology behind this toolkit ensures that the content produced is not only accurate, but also unique and engaging. Whether you're a blogger, a marketer, or a business owner looking to improve your online presence, BrainPod AI writing software is the perfect solution. Say goodbye to spending hours creating content from scratch and hello to a world of endless possibilities with BrainPod AI. Using advanced algorithms, AI-generated content can be created automatically. It can be programmed to automatically generate content that is designed to be written in just 5 or 10 paragraphs. Before you start, make sure that you have written text in at least 5 paragraphs and over 100 words in the text box. The BrainPod AI Writer is a cutting-edge tool that uses natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning, ML, technology to create high-quality content that is both accurate and engaging. The writing process to generate content starts by inputting a few sentences of a topic or keyword into the system, which then scours the internet for relevant information. The platform then uses its advanced algorithms to analyze, interpret, and understand the information it has gathered. It then uses this knowledge to generate unique content that is tailored to the specific topic or keyword. The BrainPod AI's toolkit produces informative and accurate AI-generated content that is both engaging and creative, removing writer's block. It can be used to create a wide range of content, including blog posts, articles, product descriptions, social media posts, and even entire websites. One of the key advantages of AI software is that it can produce high-quality content at scale, making it ideal for businesses and organizations that need to create a large volume of content quickly. It can also help to reduce costs and improve efficiency, as it eliminates the need for human writers to produce content manually. Overall, AI-generated content is an exciting new development in the world of content creation, and the BrainPod is leading the way in this rapidly evolving field. With its advanced algorithms and cutting-edge technology, it is revolutionizing the way we create and consume content, and is set to become an indispensable tool for businesses and organizations of all sizes. The benefits of AI-generated content are numerous and can greatly improve the content creation process. One of the main benefits is speed. AI-generated content can be created at a much faster rate than human-generated content. This means that brands can create a large number of new stories and content in a short amount of time, which is great for marketing campaigns or product launches where time is of the essence. Another benefit of AI is its consistency. AI can create content that is consistent in tone, style, and messaging. This is especially important for brands that have a large online presence and need to maintain a consistent image across all their platforms. AI can also help with personalization. By analyzing data such as browsing history or purchase behavior, AI can create content that is tailored to individual customers. This can help to improve engagement and increase the chances of a sale. Here are 7 ways to make $2,000 a week with BrainPod AI. 1. Content creation services. You can offer content creation services to individuals and businesses using BrainPod AI's platform. This could include creating articles, blog posts, social media posts, product descriptions, and more. 2. Social media management. Many businesses struggle to keep up with their social media accounts. You can offer social media management services using BrainPod AI's platform to create content and schedule posts on behalf of your clients. 3. Copywriting services. BrainPod AI's platform can be used to create high-quality copy for sales pages, landing pages, and email marketing campaigns. You can offer copywriting services using the platform and charge clients for your time and expertise. 4. Affiliate marketing. You can sign up as an affiliate of BrainPod AI and earn commissions for every sale that you refer to the platform. This is a great way to earn passive income and promote a product that you believe in. 5. Sell pre-made content. If you have a lot of content created using BrainPod AI's platform, you can sell it as pre-made content to other businesses and individuals. This could include articles, blog posts, social media posts, and more. 6. Offer training and consulting services. If you have expertise in using BrainPod AI's platform, you can offer training and consulting services to businesses and individuals who want to learn how to use it themselves. You can charge for your time and expertise. 7. Create and sell templates. You can create templates for various types of content, such as blog post outlines or social media post templates, using BrainPod AI's platform. You can then sell these templates to other businesses and individuals who want to create content themselves. Click the link in the description to get it now.